Here we are in Prague in the Czech Republic. Ah, who's here? Oh, hi. How are you? This is actually the biggest toy store I have ever seen.
Can we get the toilet?
Ah, you brought the toilet out. I mean,
I know, but I really like
I needed that last night after those,
You actually
I don't know,
needed it this morning
those weird
for the
hot dogs I ate. But yeah, I mean, okay, so this is Matchbox and also Hot Wheels. But this place is huge. It's like 3 levels. It's crazy big in here. But Hanley's is the name. And what do we have here? Hot Wheels, and then we have Siku. Now these Sikus are something that I like a lot. The only problem, yes?
They are like $3. So
$3?
Yes.
Oh.
90 corunas.
Oh, that's above my price limit. Okay, sorry, I got pulled away from the Siku. There, and then anyway, as I was mentioning, Sikus are my favorite. I mean, these are cool. What do we have here? These are really cool. Look at that. It weighs a ton too. It really weighs a lot. Problem is bringing these back in my suitcase. What?
It's only 80. It's even cheaper.
Where are the majorettes?
I don't know. I bought it there.
Okay, here. I'll be right back. Oh, do we have Czech police cars? Maybe, but this one's the scale's a bit too big. This is cool. Really cool. Wow, look at this. The Siku Ferry. 400 of the local currency. Yeah, those are cool. I like those. These are all too big a scale, really. Anyway, I think the Sikus are probably my favorite because these are all now quite... Oh, here we go. What is this? Ah, these are the smaller Sikus. And John World. Can't say I've ever seen any John World before. Hang on a sec. I think my lens is... One sec. Okay, I think my lens was covered in stuff at John World. This is interesting stuff, you know what? They seem like mice though. Really cheaply made. In fact, they look exactly like mice though. Look, space shuttle. These are kind of cool, but the problem is they're not to scale. These are definitely not 1/64. I don't know what they say on them, but they're definitely not 1/64. Okay, on my way. Look at that. Oops, same problem though. Falling. How about that, huh? So this is what we have for Siku, which is cool because I never see these. Look at that. Okay, one sec. I think the wife has found something. What have we got there?
I don't know if you like any of these.
No, this one, no.
Okay, that?
That
you don't like
no,
the
I don't
bills,
like
but
these.
it's kind of cool. It's only $2.50. Like it makes it like $6.
$6. Okay, maybe I'll grab this.
What
No, I
about this
don't.
one?
No, I don't like those Looney
Why
Tunes
don't you
things.
like Bugs
I'm not a
Bunny?
Looney Tunes fan. There's
What about this one?
look at
This
those.
one?
Look at that beetle.
Oh, this is beautiful, and it's yeah. We're taking this. We are. We're taking this. Okay,
Okay,
this.
well, I'm not taking this.
Okay.
Huh?
Well,
Okay.
and what about this?
No.
Okay,
It's not my style.
and the last one. This you already have, I guess, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna check those
Okay.
right now.
All right.
But anyway,
wrap it up.
Anyway, yeah, this is basically the place.
And there's matchbox.
Huh?
Matchbox.
Now I found a whole bunch of Sikus over there. Oh, this is cool. What's this?
I don't know.
The Toyota
90 coronas.
Tacoma. Oh, we have one of
Oh, that's our car right there.
those. Yeah.
We're taking this.
Okay, anyway, I'll wrap it up because I'm using a lot of my battery up. But anyway, the Siku, we've got Hot Wheels, and I guess we better wrap it up.